amount of people here basically represents the amount of growth we've had at the company. Our first year we did 80 million and now we're up to 200 million in about 2 years. It's pretty amazing to see, and we're just very, very thankful, which is obviously why we wanted to have you all here. So keep those deals coming. We really, 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 really appreciate it. The most important prize of the day, somebody's Tilly hat. You got it. You got it. Denver Carter, number 2, longest drive. The club champion at the course. And longest drive on number 12, Andrew, I'll never know how to pronounce your last name. Oh, Derek! With the winners, I didn't have a name, but all I know is Sean Clear, who's on the team, with a -10. -10. Woo!